Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you an update. So I've been messing with the label machine. The goal of that is to increase the amount of output that we have. So as business is picking up, we need to be able to turn out product faster. And since it's just me and my wife working right now, we're getting some help from our sister-in-law too. But you know, it's really time consuming doing the wrap labels on these cans. And so I've been messing with our new label machine that we picked up to get these wrap labels, and after, I don't know, probably 6 to 8 hours of trying to understand the machine and, you know, talking to the tech support, going over, I finally got a label. Let's see here. Finally got this label to wrap pretty well. And so something that I learned is that when you buy labels, you can buy them with like an opaque backing. It kind of looks like, so this is the opaque backing that you can get on most labels. And when I ordered these, I ordered them with the idea that we're gonna hand apply the labels. But when you're using machine, it has a sensor that detects the gaps between the labels on the paper itself. And when you're using machine, typically you want a clear backing. That way the sensor can pick up stuff in between there. So I had a bunch of that clear backing that the label company accidentally sent me on some junk that I actually didn't end up using for production. And so I was able to test it all, and I think I got the machine lined up. Like that machine that I have, it's really, after using it, it's not designed for products like this. Like this takes its abilities to the max, and I still don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this for like heavy production when we're running, you know, like 400 at a time. But there's only one way to find out, and that's that I need to get labels now. So I have a whole bunch of wrap labels with the opaque backing. I need to order them with the clear backing. And so that's really gonna tell us whether or not that machine is gonna work, but I can't even test it until I get new labels with the right backing on there. So that was something that I learned today. You know, like playing with the machine and the adjustments, you know, like when I first started that thing, I had no idea what was going on. Labels were going everywhere, the can was getting crushed. And, you know, like, I guess that's kind of, it goes with everything, is you just got to keep going and keep fiddling and playing with it, and then obviously reach out to people who know, you know, like being able to spend 20 minutes on the phone with a technician over at the label company, like that was invaluable, helping me get an idea of like what makes the machine tick. And then once I understood how the machine works and what the different adjustments do, then getting the label dialed in was a lot simpler. So it wasn't like a total win today, but it also wasn't a loss, and I'm able to take the next steps. So, you know, as we see production increase, I should be able to increase, you know, my output here in the lab, and without hiring, you know, paying people to do the work. I would love to bring on an employee right now, but it's just not feasible at the moment. So, yeah, next steps. So now that I am done with the label machine for the afternoon, my kids get home here in a little bit. I think what I'm gonna work on right now is I got some new label designs that are in production for some of our products, and kind of bouncing back and forth with different suppliers, talking to them about, you know, what they offer and how they work. So I'm trying to find a new label supplier that has a little more personal connection with the people that are printing the labels, rather than using just a big outfit that just pumps out massive amounts, and, you know, every time you call you're talking to a different person. I want a little more of that personal interaction with somebody who cares about their customers and the business. So trying to find somebody who can do that. Also trying to switch over to a little bit higher quality labels. So like looking at some foil labels to give our products some extra pop. Our competition who are selling their products on Amazon, like their stuff, you know, their products are okay, I guess. But their labels are pretty subpar. So what we're looking for is, like, I really want to set our products apart. Like, we focus on quality, we focus on really putting prime ingredients. Like, we were the first company to launch the nootropic pouch with alpha GPC. And then, you know, within about 9 to 12 months, we started seeing other companies copy that same idea, which I should have expected. I mean, it's a great idea, so obviously other companies are going to jump at it. But you know, like, we really focus on putting prime ingredients inside of our pouches, and I want that to be reflected by the label. So trying to step up the game a little bit and offer something that is next level, we'll just put it that way. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. Maybe I can throw a little bit of that footage on this video. Maybe I'll save that for tomorrow. But anyway, just wanted to give you an update where we're at. All right, peace out, guys.